Hey my lovely creatures, you all are welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today is our day 16 workout challenge. If this is what you want to see, stay put, don't go away. But before we hop into that, if you've not subscribed to our channel, kindly hit on that subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever we upload a new video. So today is our day 16 and you are highly welcome. Did I introduce my name? This is your girl, RosesGlam. So our skipping rope, as you noticed yesterday, is broken. And I was unable to go to town yesterday to check at Sports Direct to see if they have similar thing that I have, the one that counts. So yeah, I couldn't because lots of things to do, and I worked last night 12-hour shift, came in this morning tired as always. So I need to quickly do this and then shower and sleep a bit before the kids closes school. Okay, so without further ado, let's just hop into whatever that comes up this morning. We are going to do it since our skipping is not functioning for now. All right, so let's just hop in. come to the end of today's workout challenge. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I do appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. I can't do this without your support, without your encouragement. I do appreciate you. Please let me know your opinion at the comment section. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly hit on that subscription button right down there, subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new video. So let's look forward tomorrow for our next workout challenge. Thank you, bye. Thank you for now. And bye. Take care of yourself and stay out of trouble. Don't forget, RosesGlam loves you all. Bye.